Hello guys, welcome to Abhi Tutors. In this video, we are going to be making the crown, the first cosmetic I'm making. And yeah guys, it's detachable and you can stick it on the ghost and the origami Among Us crewmate that I have posted in the channel, or you can click up here. So for the ghost and for the crewmate, it's up here, the I button. You can just click it and you can watch it. It's pretty cool. You can just detach it like that and you can just reattach it. You're good to go. So you want to know how to make this? Let's get started. The paper that I use is around 5.5 centimeter. So you can basically use the paper which is of size 1/4 of the size of the paper that you made for the crewmate. So if your crewmate is of 21 centimeter, you can use 5.5 centimeter. So let's get started. Take the paper, fold it into a triangle, open it, fold from this side also. Properly, crease it, and now open the paper, fold it like this, just like that, crease it, open it and fold it this side. So basically, okay, now you need to take this part till the middle, and this one too. Open it and take this side till the middle. Just like that. And now what you need to do, you need to fold this like this and this one till the middle, and then put it down. Just like that. Next step is you need to take this part till this here. Okay, and fold this triangle till the middle, right there. Okay, press it, see, like this, and then fold it inside just like that. See, and again I'm going to show you this side. If you can't, you can I'll just show you properly. Fold it like this, press it, and now open it and fold it inside just like that. Okay, and now fold this part like this, open it and push it inside, and this one too. Just like that. So this part is basically gonna be the bottom, the socket section. So basically we are going to plug it, just put it. So next step is you're gonna take this line till the middle, one side at a time, and make sure the back remains, this paper doesn't come out like that. So it's an important thing to note. So hold it and then fold it. just like that. And now you're gonna open this back paper as far as it can go. Okay, so for us it's going till there. Just open it as far as it can go, like that. Leave this here for some time and do the same with this side. Press it. Just like that. Okay, and now you're gonna open this side too. One thing to note here is that this point and this point should be equal. Okay, one should not go up and the other one down. So we are gonna adjust it by just folding this down like that. So basically when we fold this down, it should come something like this, a little more than this bottom part. So it should come a little more. Okay, and now you're gonna open these parts as far as they can go, like that. And this one too, I'll just show you. Okay, so this part you're just gonna open it like that. See? So next step is you're gonna fold this down and you're gonna take this line till this right line. Just like that. So we have this whole paper to work on, and this I'm thinking to use the same base for all the cosmetic items. I mean the hats, just hats, but in future I may change or may not. So next step is you're gonna fold this line right there, just like that, and fold it out. And don't fold this flap, okay, this behind one. This one stays like that only. Just open it till there. So it should be a little less heighted than this point, like that. And this side too, repeat the same. Wait a second. Yeah. So fold it like that and open it. Just like that. Okay. Next step is you're gonna fold this line in an angle, okay, going like this. So not straight, but at an outward angle. Just like that. And this side too, repeat the same. Oops, this one open, so we are gonna adjust it. Okay, just like that. Now we got something missing, isn't it? It's this part right there. So we are just gonna fold it like this. Just push it so that it makes a pointy curvature kind of thing. And this side too. And make sure that these two go in same direction so that they are in an identical and not one small and one big, so it should be like that. And make sure this top stays pointed. So there you go, we got ourselves crown. Let us crown this guy. So what you need to do is you see these pockets right here. Okay, so this line, so inside this and this pocket we are going to insert it. So I'm going to show you. Insert like that, and this side insert it. Oops, it fall. I'll just insert it. Yep, just like that. And one more tip is that if this part is opening like that, you can just put it down, and I'll just, yeah, you can just put it inside and this part up so that it stays intact. Similarly, this side also, you can just put it inside and you can push this part up. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So here we have our Among Us crown, which looks pretty good in my opinion. So here is our ghost. So just like that only, you need to put the same for the ghost. And more cosmetic items coming soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Give a like and subscribe so that you can get notified when a new item comes, new cosmetic items. And also I'm going to do the pets origami too, so be sure to subscribe. And one more thing, if you feel it like this, just fold it in an angle like this so it looks better. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.